how to use your why statement. Now that you have your personal why statement, you need to start using it in the most effective way to get the most out of it. In this video, we will also cover how to use a mission statement if you have written one for a business. It probably took you a while to write a why statement that you were completely happy with. Now it is time to put your why statement to work and harness its power. There are a number of ways that a powerful why statement can help you, so let's take a look at these now. Use your why statement for motivation. No matter what path you decide to take in life, there will be times when you do not feel like doing something that you know you should do. Your head is not in the game for some reason, and you are finding it tough to focus and get things done. With a strong and compelling why statement, you can quickly motivate yourself and get back on track. We recommend that you read your why statement out loud every morning after you wake up. This will energize you and put you in the best possible state to meet the challenges of the day. Keep a copy of your why statement with you wherever you go. If you are feeling down for any reason at any time of the day, you can read your why statement and motivate yourself to push forward. Sometimes being inspired to do something and having good willpower is just not enough for you to see it through to the end. So, use your why statement to give you that motivational boost that will get you over the line. Share your why statement with others. If you are truly committed to your personal why statement, you should have no problem sharing this with other people. Share it with your employer, your family members, your close friends, and anyone that is important to you. Explain to them that you have found your true purpose in life, and this is the way that you will live your life from now on. By doing this, you add extra accountability to conforming to your why statement. If you need to explain it in more detail to some people, then be sure to do that. It is important that everyone fully understands. So, should you share your why statement with absolutely everyone that you know? Well, that is your decision. If you know that you will receive a negative reaction from some people, then you may choose not to share with them. You have to assess whether the people that you choose to share your why statement with will provide extra accountability and motivation for you. In all honesty, you should be totally proud of your why statement and the person that you want to become. It doesn't matter if some people think that you are crazy or that you won't live up to it. There will always be negative people in the world, so you need to accept this and deal with it. So, our advice is to be very proud of your why statement and tell everyone about it. Use your why statement to set your goals. If you have set goals in the past that you were not really committed to and either failed to achieve them or just gave up on them altogether, then you will find that your why statement will help you set the right goals moving forward. This is because you now have total clarity about where your life is going. Without this clarity, it is always going to be a challenge to set goals that you are truly committed to and inspired about. But now that you have this clarity through your why statement, you can use it to set the goals that will truly align with it. You know what you want to do and the impact that you want to make, so start working on how you are going to achieve this. The best way to do it is with goals and detailed plans. It may take you a while to determine your goals and plans, but stick with it. Refer to your why statement continuously throughout the process. As we said before, you can write individual goal why statements if you find that this helps you. Just ensure that these why statements align perfectly with your overall why statement. Enjoy the process of setting your goals. Having discovered your why, you should be chomping at the bit to get them down on paper. Take your time and make sure that all of your goals align with your why statement. It will be totally worth it for you in the end. Look at the bigger picture and the outcome to inspire you. Use your why statement in your decision making. With the clarity of your why statement, you should find that it is much easier to make decisions going forward. It will take you a little time to adjust to making decisions that support your true purpose in life, but after a short time, this will be an automatic thing for you. It should be pretty easy for you not to make the wrong decisions in your life. The power of your why statement will be there to remind you that you are on a specific path, and you do not want to decide on anything that will make you deviate from this path. So, for example, if the impact of your why statement relates to helping people achieve their goals, then don't do anything that is counter to this. If a person requires your help to set their goals, then be willing to help them with this rather than doing something else just for yourself. Live by your why statement. This is very important and closely related to the decisions that you make. As an extreme example, you cannot help others if you are drunk in bars every evening. You need to make the right life choices that will enable you to live by your why statement. If your why statement is a far cry from the life that you lead at the moment, then it is going to take some time to adjust. That's fine. You need to be persistent here to get the best results. Stop being obsessed with money and focus on providing value to others. The money will come if you are truly committed to your why statement. We are not suggesting that it will be easy for you to live by your why statement, especially if your current lifestyle is in conflict with it. Making a transition to a better life is never easy, which is why so many people prefer to drift along in their lives. It is the path of least resistance for them. But you are better than that. You have taken the time to go through this training and you have written your why statement. Now you need to turn this into your reality using all of the energy that you can muster. Harnessing the power of mission statements for businesses. The same things apply to a mission statement as they do to a personal why statement. There are more people involved in a company and you want everyone to buy into your mission statement, such as your customers, your employees, your suppliers, and the company owners. We suggested the idea that you create an external and internal mission statement for your business. The external mission statement you need to communicate with your customers and suppliers. Be sure to add this to your company website. The internal mission statement is for your employees and the owners of the business. Prove to your employees that you truly care about them and recognize them as the company's greatest asset. Post copies of your internal mission statement in all workplace areas to motivate your people. Provide a presentation of your mission statement to all of your employees. Explain to them what it really means and answer any questions that they have. Your aim is to ensure that everyone understands what the company is about and where it is heading. Communicate your internal mission statement to the owners of the company. If you have a lot of shareholders, then send them a letter including the mission statement and explain what it means and how it will impact them. In the next video, we will discuss how you can keep your why statement going.